Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to hear today. Tension is who you think you should be. Relaxation is who you are. Action. Take short, relaxing breaks at your workplace, at least twice a day. Notice that it will improve your productivity, quality of work, and state of mind. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this one. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. You are in charge of your choices. Today, you could be the reason someone feels hope, seen, loved, validated, and understood. Walls keep everybody out. Boundaries teach people where the door is. Most dramas disappear once you hang out with smarter, more thoughtful people. And the last one today. If you want to feel better, you must eat better. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.